Hey Mustangs, welcome back to Season 10, Episode 12 of The Main. I'm your host, Mason Byram.
And I'm Omar Cruz. And today, we'll get into the polar plunge, see some teacher-student baking, and hear more about daylight savings.
Did you bring a jacket? It's a little chilly in here.
Nah, I didn't. I left it at polar plunge. Let's get a closer look about it.
Hey Mustangs, you may have recently heard about an event called the Polar Plunge that happened in the stadium. During this event, students gathered to watch their staff and peers plunge into a cold pool in unique ways to raise money for the upcoming Special Olympics. Let's hear some of the participants' thoughts on the event.
My name is Colin Hogan. I'm a Special Olympics coach. I teach special education, plunging for Special Olympics at Tia Valley, and I think everybody should plunge because this is an awesome event and we get to raise a bunch of money for some awesome programs.
I'm Shane Arteaga. I'm a senior, and today I'm jumping for all my peers that aren't willing to. Everyone should do this. It's a great event, and it's just, here we are. Look at these people all gathered here to join us. Just have a great jump. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Coach Sheehan. I am an interventionist at the school. I teach PE. I'm the head football coach as well. I am doing the polar plunge today to support Special Olympics. I think it's for an amazing cause, and I think some of our athletes are incredible. I think that everyone should plunge, to be honest. It's a great opportunity to show your support for something that means a lot for our community and our school.
Hi, my name is Elise King. I'm in 11th grade, and I'm doing the polar plunge because I love being involved with all the school activities, and I think it would just be really fun. And I think other people should do the polar plunge because it's for a good cause, and it's also just a good way to get involved if you don't do many activities around Matia.
This has been Mason Byram for The Main.
Man, it was cold out there.
Yeah, but now I'm all ready for the big day.
Dude, the Oscars already happened.
Oh, well, let's get a recap from Maddie and Sophie.
This past weekend, the 2026 Oscars were held at the Dolby Theater in LA, featuring stars such as Leonardo DiCaprio and Michael B. Jordan. The ceremony began with Conan O'Brien kicking off the event with some jokes. The first award of the night was Best Supporting Actress, which went to Amy Madigan for her performance in Weapons. The night carried on with more big winners, such as Sinners winning Best Original Screenplay, Best Original Score, and Best Cinematography. Actor Michael B. Jordan, who also starred in Sinners, won Best Actor for his performance, becoming the first actor to win for playing twins, and only the sixth black man to win this award. The recent popular film of the summer, K-pop Demon Hunters, won Best Animated Feature Film and Best Original Song. The event also had appearances from Robert Downey Jr. and Chris Evans to mark the 14th anniversary of their first Marvel Avengers film together. Wrapping up the Oscars, the award for Best Picture went to One Battle After Another, directed by Paul Thomas Anderson. With the end of the 98th Oscars that was full of many surprises, many movie lovers are excited to see what the 99th Oscars will bring next year. This is Maddie for The Main.
Dude, after all that, I'd be starving.
Lucky for you, Otis. They just had the student-teacher baking competition. Let's go take a look.
Hi, I'm Mr. Andorino. I teach in the English department, and we are baking something.
I'm Dylan. I'm a senior, and I think we are baking some type of brownie.
I'm Miss Quinn. I'm the media production teacher and an English teacher, and we're baking something.
Hi, I'm Aisha, and I'm a senior. I think we're also baking brownies.
We want all of it. Okay, well,
Okay. You're not allowed to use measuring cups, she said. Jeez.
You can, we just don't know.
Yeah. Oh, where's the bowls? Wait, get the largest one. Get the largest one.
Butter.
For the record, are we on?
Yeah.
Miss Quinn didn't wash her hands. I just want to.
I absolutely did.
I did. I watched it right here.
That is a serious accusation.
You put oil in brownies?
Oh, no, you don't. You don't.
You put a cup of oil in.
Says who? What the hell? Says who?
You can never have too much chocolate in brownies. Okay. We're going. Are they allowed to start over?
Yes.
Show that to the camera. Everyone needs to see that.
Okay, one.
Oh no, it's looking like it's my final product.
Gross.
What can we do?
How do we go back on this?
This looks really good.
I think it's pretty good for me.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
We have to do a little taste test.
How's it taste?
It's like a bio.
There's a lot of oil.
That's unsanitary. That is quite a comeback.
I'm proud of us.
We did so good for not having a rest.
Right?
Yeah.
350.
Oh, shit.
That's
Doesn't
not
taste
bad.
like anything.
Yeah.
Wait, no, it's not that bad though. I thought it was gonna be terrible.
Thank you for that.
Let's try Aisha's. This one doesn't look good.
I know.
The other one looked fine. Yours is discolored, bro. Ready, set. The only reason they won is because this one had more flavor. This one I couldn't taste anything. I could not taste anything in that.
Fantastic.
Thanks for watching.
Come back next time to watch us win again.
We won.
Those look good. Hold on. Oh, the Bills traded for DJ Moore.
Scotty, bro, you're super late on this, but don't worry, guys. I know someone who can inform you on it. What's up, Mustangs? My name is Omar Cruz, and I'm here to give you an update on your favorite NFL teams and who they signed in free agency. Let's start off with the hometown team, the Chicago Bears. They have signed center Garrett Bradbury, safety Kobe Bryant, and linebacker Devin Bush. All great signs for the team, but what hurts them more is all the players they have lost in free agency. Speaking on the Bears, their ex-QB, Justin Fields, has just been traded to the Kansas City Chiefs, fitting to be the Week 1 starter with an ACL tear happening to Patrick Mahomes. Although that would not be the only new addition to their backfield. They will now have Super Bowl MVP running back Kenneth Walker. Heading southeast to Carolina, the Panthers have signed linebacker Devin Lloyd, edge rusher Jalen Phillips, and offensive tackle Rasheed Walker. With all these new additions to a team that just went to the playoffs, I think it will be very beneficial. Shout out Gino. Staying in the NFC South, the Saints have signed running back Travis Etienne, and the Falcons have signed Tua Tagovailoa from the Dolphins. The Dolphins are also going 3 for 3 with losing starters, with Tua Tagovailoa, Tyreek Hill, who is a free agent at the time of this recording, and Jalen Waddle to the trade with the Broncos. To end this on a personal high note, the Raiders have had a phenomenal offseason with signing Super Bowl winning offensive coordinator Clint Kubiak to be their head coach of the future. And also with their very aggressive push to better this defense, with even signing star pass rusher Max Crosby from the short times he spent with the Ravens. All this to make the team perfect for our future #1 overall pick, Fernando Mendoza. That's all I have. I've been Omar Cruz. Are you enjoying this episode? Do you want to join our award-winning program? Many people think the Maine is a club, but it's not.
Ask your counselor how you can join our class, media production, or stop by F219 for more info.
Did we gain or lose an hour this past daylight savings?
I think we gained an hour, but here's more about daylight savings from Brian.
Every year, some countries move their clocks back during the fall to gain more sleep, then move it forward during the spring to lose sleep. Other countries who don't participate might find this odd.
So why do we even do this? I mean, the poll speaks for itself.
The original idea is from George Hudson. His idea was to give more sunlight in the summer, of course. But it's important to know changing a clock doesn't make the sun show more. But compared to human activity, the sun will both rise and set later.
This is how we can enjoy summer days longer.
But Hudson specifically only uses for his insect collecting hobby.
Little does George Hudson know, stats show some fallbacks because of this. The day after the clocks moved forward, there's a temporary increase in car accidents. Lastly, beyond physical health, productivity can also take a hit as well. Us students often experience reduced focus and slower reaction times as our bodies adjust to the new schedule. So please, Mustangs, let's still try to get that 8 hours of sleep every night. Scan the QR code if you think that daylight saving should still be here. This is Brian Godfrey for the Maine.
That's the latest on daylight savings.
Now, let's take a break and watch a movie review. Here's Jensen.
Hi, I'm Jensen and welcome back to Just Jensen Movie Reviews. It's another wonderful Friday night, so that means that the world is my oyster. I have my little bowl of movies, so let's get to picking. So, I will be watching Roman Holiday. I think that's an older 60s movie with Audrey Hepburn, I think. Let's get to watching. Before we start off, let me correct myself. I said I thought it was from the 1960s. It is from 1953, so sorry. Starting off, I was surprised to find that Audrey Hepburn was playing a princess. And she has all these things going on. I just want someone to give her a break. And then we have the scene where they're playing poker. I don't understand poker, but he's such a gentleman. And I love their voices. Like, a lot of things weren't great in the 1950s, but the voices in movies, amazing. And even before he knew her, he was still so kind to her and just let her stay the night. He's such a gentleman. And they have amazing chemistry together. And this made me just love Audrey Hepburn as an actor. The ending was sweet. It wasn't the happiest, but it was realistic and sweet. So I would give this a 4 out of 5 stars, just because I don't think I'm the intended audience, but I did enjoy this film.
Now, putting movies aside, here at Mattia, we like to bring some attention to serious issues.
Now let's hear from Palinka and Layla from Self-Harm Awareness Month.
March is Self-Harm Awareness Month, a time to gently talk about struggles that many people carry quietly. Self-harm is often misunderstood. For many people, it isn't about wanting to end things, but rather about trying to cope with emotions that feel too overwhelming. Feelings like stress, loneliness, sadness, or feeling like no one truly understands. And while it may seem rare, research shows about 1 in 6 young people report harming themselves at least once in their lifetime. Many begin struggling between the ages of 12 and 15. Awareness means listening. It means checking in on people and choosing compassion instead of judgment. Healing takes time, but support and understanding can help someone feel less alone. Your story matters, and everyone deserves support, hope, and healing. If someone you personally know is struggling with self-harm, the best thing you can do for them is to listen without judgment. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply show that you care. This is Paulinka Zagata for The Main.
I'm glad we brought some attention to that topic, but to close off our episode,
Here's The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives.
The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives new season just came out, and like usual, it's full of drama from their group of influencers known as Mom Talk. The show follows their friendship, personal lives, and all the conflicts that come with it. But the biggest drama right now isn't actually in the new season, it's happening behind the scenes. Filming for Season 5 has reportedly stopped because of a serious situation involving cast member Taylor Frankie Paul and her ex-boyfriend Dakota Mortensen. The two are now involved in a legal situation related to a domestic dispute, and the case is expected to go to court. Because of everything going on, production on the next season was paused while the situation gets sorted out. Some reports say the cast also didn't feel comfortable continuing to film while the investigation is still happening. So even though fans were expecting another season soon, Season 5 is currently on hold, and right now it's unclear when filming will continue. This is Olivia Wiv for The Main.
Thank you guys for watching this episode. If you enjoy our content, make sure to head over to our YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe.
if that isn't enough, head over to our Instagram at MV Publications. And from all of us here at Broadcast Journalism and Production,
stay amazing.